We're going to be trying to make the Floam Galaxy thing with these. I don't think it's Floam anyway. So it's just glass beads. Here's one bottle. Well, one like fourth of a bottle.
That looks amazing, Claire. Good job.
How much water goes in here?
A cup. We're using different kinds of glues just to experiment. Yeah, no, that's not even. Look at that.
Here, I said let me work on getting all the glue out, okay?
Okay.
You can stir this.
This is a really big spoon.
Yeah, please put that in the sink. It's really weird that you grabbed that. I love you.
Eli, don't be weird.
Are you gonna edit out this stuff?
No. Just to show you guys. Ooh, Mom, can you get the dyeing out? The dye stuff?
Do a different color. Do like green or something.
I'll probably do like blue.
I thought you already did blue.
Oh no, I haven't done blue yet. I've done blue glitter. And I might add a little bit of yellow to make it lighter.
Why is Eli's pants full of this?
True.
Stop doing that, Eli.
Whoa, what the heck was that, Mom?
Where's glue?
Yeah.
Jessie said that she's
Okay.
going to go on the South Mountain.
To go on a hike?
I'm gonna go get the shaving cream.
We're ready for a meet out there.
Okay. I love you.
Gonna be fast. You should have
Honey, I have vegetable thingy. We're supposed to be going to eat. Nope.
That's it, bro.
I just
Why do you need
listen. You have to
shaving
hold it more straight up.
Oh,
That makes sense.
yes.
Wait, what does shaving cream do to it?
It makes it fluffy.
That's good teamwork.
Thank you.
That's a lot, dude.
Okay. I'll add some more of this. Okay. Now to add the foam mist.
Yeah.
Stir it. There's another white thing.
You poured all over them?
This.
There's some gold in there,
Okay,
though.
you might want to not use all of them.
I know, I'm going to use, yeah, get some gold. This is going to be the galaxy. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, that should be good. Now I'll mix it.
Now,
Are you going to pour the water in?
yes. Okay, and go. That's good. Cool. We might need a little bit more borax.
Here.
Did you pour all of it in at once?
Yes.
Why?
You're supposed to.
That's not what you.
I know. This is the flow kind. Yeah, we need more borax.
Chance, get out of the way.
That's fine.
How's your video taking up?
'Cause they
YouTube
always
channel.
do. This is what it looks like.
Don't drop it. Yeah.
Yeah, Mom, can you get more?
Sure. Can you guys please not make a mess like you're doing? Everybody, this is somebody's mom's getting mad because they're messy. I will get some more borax, huh?
I said you're so funny. Ooh.
Brooke, you like it. You. Yes. Okay.
You want me to just put borax in there?
Yes.
Do you need a bigger bowl?
Maybe.
Stop.
Dare you eat it?
No.
That would probably kill me.
Run on the track. You can come.
I will.
There's a dog go pee. We just woke up.
And cookies. He doesn't want to.
Okay, now what do you need?
Brooke.
I think I might need like a jar.
You need more of this?
Yes, I do.
I'll put it on for like 5 minutes. Maybe not even that. Oh, wait, what I should do?
Where are the friends from? Are they from like Argentina? Okay. Now I'm gonna fold the beads in. I'm gonna mix it.
Don't touch all that stuff with your nasty hand.
I touched one spoon.
You're dripping.
No.
That's disgusting. You can do the dishes.
Oh, I know I will. I like doing dishes.
Chance, what are you doing? Chance, what are you doing? He's rolling in his bed.
You insist on grabbing the biggest spoons that we have?
Yes. Okay, I need a jar or something.
You need more than this amount.
True.
Oh, whoa.
Brooke, you're ill. This is a good one. Yeah, Mom, I'll clean the stuff up.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
Did you do it or did you waste it?
Oh, I did it. I need to turn this off. Bye.